Okay, jump on the jet so I'm clearing it. Okay.
Hey guys, yes, that's me eating. So we're going to hop into this Morphe palette and we're going to apply this first orangey shade right up there in the middle and inner and outer corner of our eye. So we're just going to start in the inner and work your way out to the outer corner. We're going to use that same orangey shade and create a wing shape, and you're just going to use back and forth motions with your brush. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and completely soften all the edges. Now we're going to take it a step lighter and just take this good transition shade and apply it on top of the orange color. Now we're hopping into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette using the shade Wow. We are going to apply that in our inner corner and just all over the top of the orange shade and the transition shade that we just applied to just make a seamless, effortless, beautiful blend to the gods. Now we're going to take the shade Cherry Wet and just apply it into our inner corner and outer corner. You don't want to bring it up all the way into the midsection because we just want to deepen out those corners. Now we're taking the shade Raspberry and doing the exact same thing. Just deepen, 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 honey. So we're going to hop in with that fluffy blending brush again and just buff out those two dark red colors that we just put on there. Now we're going to use another palette, the Morphe 39S Such a Gem palette, and we're just still going to deepen these inner and outer corners. I think y'all already know the deal. We're just still deepening out these inner corners, inner and outer, and just giving them all the depth, girl. They need depth. So we're taking the fluffy brush again because we want the most seamless blend possible. You do not want any harshness. Now we're going to apply this ColourPop No Filter Concealer to the midsection of our eye and create a blend with it. You don't want this to be a cut crease or a halo eye. You just want it to be there as a base for when we apply our shimmers. Now we're taking shade Lemon Drop from the Jawbreaker palette and applying it directly to the midsection of our eyelid. So now I'm going to be using the shade Orange Juice and applying it directly next to the shade Lemon Drop. Now, you know, people always have this great debate about orange juice and apple juice. Am I the only one who prefers apple juice? Let me know. Now we're taking the shade And What and applying it directly on the outside of the shade Orange Juice. And we're doing that on the outer and inner corners. Diving back into that Morphe palette, we're going to use that same orange and we're going to apply it to our lower lash line. Now we're going back into the Jawbreaker palette and using that yellow and just smoking out the orange that we first applied. So we're basically repeating the steps that we did on the top part of the eye back onto the lower lash line. Some mascara, lashes, face, and then moving on to lips. First things first, I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip liner in shade Chestnut, and then I'm going to go over top and use the NYX Liquid Lingerie matte lipstick in the shade Silk Indulgent. I fill in majority of my top lip, if not the whole entire top lip, and then when I go to put the liquid lip on, I only fill in the bottom lip and only a little bit on the top lip. Then I just take my finger and pat it away so I get a nice blended lip. And that is it. That is my sunset slash sun look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want, like if you want, you know, whatever. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.